Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with the sleek, stylish Toastation toaster and oven, a two-in-one appliance that saves counter space with its compact design. Now, there's no need to choose between a toaster and an oven. This unit functions as both a traditional toaster and as a toaster oven. Now let's look at some of the special features. It has an automatic shutoff feature and a removable crumb tray for quick cleanup. As a toaster, it provides a 1.5-inch wide toasting slot that can fit up to 2 slices of bread, 2 frozen waffles, 2 halves of a bagel, an English muffin, or even those longer specialty bread slices. To toast, you simply drop in the item to be toasted, adjust the shade setting by turning the control knob, and push down the lever on the side. Your food pops up when done. You can stop toasting anytime by pressing the convenient cancel button. You can easily switch from regular pop-up toaster to the oven by sliding the lever on the front of the unit. This closes the toaster slot and traps in the heat. The oven uses a separate temperature control knob, and its interior is large enough to accommodate chicken nuggets, French fries, 2 16-inch pizza slices, or 2 5-inch single-serve pizzas. The Hamilton Beach Toastation toaster and oven is a compact and convenient two-in-one appliance. The one appliance that delivers the regular toasting performance of a traditional pop-up toaster with the versatility of an oven for those popular toaster oven foods and snacks. Now that's good thinking.